And a very good afternoon, y'all. This is Richard with another chapter in the Brian's Bus Adventure. Today, I've been working inside the bus. That's right, been working inside with the reverse osmosis system for the sink. And that, of course, is going to supply all the water for the cooking and for the drinking. Everything else will not go through the reverse osmosis system, like the shower and the toilet. That's just going to be good old potable water. But this is just kind of like a double or a triple type of scenario where it's going to be filtered. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 7 different filters on it. Oh, 6 and a UV filter. So I think it's going to work probably pretty well. And again, we'll find out. But let me show you exactly what we've been doing so far today. And again, this is, if I can get this camera right, this is the reverse osmosis system right here. And what it does, water comes in that little old white line right there. The white flexible line goes through the 3 big filters. Then it comes up and it goes through 1, 2, 3, 4 more filters here on top. And by the time it gets up to the sink, I think it's going to be water. Anyway, there's the reserve tank, and that's what's going to fill up. I think it's about 2.5 gallons or something like that. Red line down there is the feed line, and that's an anti-leak valve there, and that supplies up into the filter system to start with. And that black plug-in up there, of course, is the ultraviolet. I think it's ultraviolet kind of thing. And it's a 110, but that's all plumbed in. Red line down here is the water supply, and again, that's going to filter it out, like I said, about 7 different times, and by the time it gets to us, it's going to be some pretty good water. Anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning, or I have done already. I plumbed that in, and then this afternoon, I am going to be going up on the roof here. I'm going to be going up there, taking this skylight out, because that rubber seal, no matter what I've done, leaks. So I'm going to take that completely out, and I'm going to make a plexiglass skylight that's attached to the exterior of the roof. And that'll be Sikaflexed in, it'll be a DAP sealed in, it'll be screwed in, and it's going to be every type of secured point that you can think of so it doesn't leak. Tired of that little thing leaking up there. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. And this is another challenge, another chapter in the Brian's Bus Adventure. Hope you like it. I hope you go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tell somebody else about it. Share it with somebody. And if you'd really like to help, of course, you can get on patreon.com and go for $2 or $3 a month, because that would really help us out a lot. We appreciate y'all watching. And remember, please like this thing. That really helps us with our, I guess they call them, algorithms. I think that's the term they use to determine how many people are watching. So again, thanks for watching, and this is another chapter in the Brian's Bus Adventure.